The video you guys have long awaited for, a review of the Sir Arthur Lewis Hall. So this is the single ensuite room, and this is me making a live voiceover, but as you guys can see, the room is equipped with a fan, a bed with 3 drawers at the bottom, a shelf with a little study. It's a little study area, to be honest. That is very convenient. You can have a little like lamp if you want. This is the cupboard. We can keep your clothes. You can also store anything like non-perishable items. You have a lot of drawers, trust me. Like, I have a lot of storage areas in the SAL rooms, which is what I really love because I tend to travel with a lot of stuff. Now this is the bathroom that you are going to share with one other person. So yeah, there's a shower, there's a toilet, and the sink in that bathroom. So yeah, this is the span of the room. And when I say live, I mean I don't even remember how these videos were. But anyways, this is a double room. As you guys can see, a fan is in every room, like every side, and each person has their own study area. The same cupboard that you saw in the ensuite is the same one in this room. So yeah, lots of storage space. Oh guys, and you see those windows are real big, so like when you open them up, yeah, like they're not even open and you see how bright the place is. So you get a sink in the double room, one sink to share between the 2 persons, so you just choose who gets what or who comes first. Get preference. These are the cupboards I was mentioning earlier. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you the span of the room as much as possible. Okay, so this is us entering a single room. Yes, so one thing, some of the mattresses have like common mattress covers. If you don't have one, you can buy one in the store. So yeah, you guys have same setup, same cupboards. This room actually have extra cupboard, which is weird, but anyways, yeah. So in this room, you get a sink all to yourself and a mirror, the same storage underneath the bed, the huge window, and this is now the span of the room. Okay, so this next room is for the rich people. I'm just kidding, but this is the studio apartment, or the 1-bedroom apartment. I think that's what it's called. This is the room with AC, and when my friend had it, it was my favorite place to be. Yeah, so you get your own kitchen with fridge. With the other rooms, you have to either rent a fridge or buy your own fridge and then pay for the voltage. But yeah, so you get your own sink, like kitchen sink. You get your own bathroom with shower, toilet, and a sink. And I feel like the only con is just that you have to clean up your own bathroom. So you have to like buy stuff to clean, you know, your own stuff. So we're entering from St. John's Road. We have 2 security posts that are here 24/7. We have a basketball court. As you guys can see, they're actively playing basketball. That's a part of our life. We have the parking lot, and way at the bottom they play football. We have a whole established football team. As someone who tried 3 halls before, SAL has the most vibes, the most fun, you know, just the most events really. The girls, the 2 uppermost top floors, and the boys are the ground floor and the first floor. So this is how the kitchen look. This is our boys like floor kitchen, so it's pretty spacious compared to the other dorms. You guys can see 3 microwaves, 3 electric stoves. Yes, and this is a burner stove that, what do you mean, hot plate? Yeah, right. And 2 double sinks. We have 2 elevators actually. So this is a sample of the bathroom. I'm not gonna show you guys everything, but there's several seating areas. So this is just one of them. This is like our backyard. More seating areas. So you guys, you know, not limited to unseated areas at all. Down there is the recreational room. I'll go there later. I am heading to the garden that we water and grow ourselves. And this side of the block, you can actually request to stay at because you're near the river and it's, you know, cool breeze and all, but there's mosquitoes, so keep that in mind. Basically, attending to it every day. We have a roster and each of us can come and pick the harvest. Yes, I have lettuce, shadow benny, pop choy. What is this, Trevisha?
Papaya.
Okay, we're gonna. This is like an elevator.
This one.
Down to the basement, which is where we're going now. This is where we wash our clothes.
$5 to wash,
$5 to wash, and yeah, $5 to dry. So these are the washers here, and the dryers. Where the AC rooms are, you guys will get a picture or a review. I'm telling you guys, you're not short of seating areas. Another seating area, because honestly SAL has the most residents, so they have to accommodate like hundreds of us. So this is outside the Minimart. You can just have a little study session with your group members or people who doing your same degree. There's a whiteboard. They're currently using this for another function. Upstairs have computers. In a computer lab, there are bathrooms. We're heading to the computer lab now.
So stuck in my own way.
We have more bathrooms.
So I enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has
made. See guys, thanks for reviewing SAL at night.